All right, so today's November 10th. It's currently 9:16 a.m. Let's jump into it. GB, what you got for us this week? Let's see. So as y'all can see, this past week, we kind of started from down here from last week, and we kind of made our way up towards here. So higher lows, what it basically looks like from here, we simulated and formed a pretty solid higher low where buyers kind of take over and did this retest right here and kept on pushing upwards. Then again, we had this retest candle and buyers kept on taking over. Then it looks like we had a little bit of a retest right here where we had to come back and retest previous support, where it looks like we had a demand zone across from this higher high where we retest and pushed up. And then right here, it looks like buyers just kept on taking over. So we're looking pretty good. Kind of letting my technicals be on there now. So in a nutshell, we're looking good. Just as I thought, though, we were going to have a little bit of some rejection around this area, just due to the simple fact you'll see when I kind of go down lower. But for this week, I could see a retest kind of coming back downwards and then going back longer. But let's kind of look into the details of that. Ugh, hate when I leave my technicals on here. Let me kind of clean up some of this shit. Oops, deleted the wrong thing. That's probably a move y'all need to see. You feel me? Looking at the details of the data, though, based on market structure and where we lies right now, this was the previous market structure higher low. So it looks like the market just came to retest this area and kind of push out on up. Based on the areas of structure that I can see on this time frame, we're looking good. Supply and demand wise, though, yeah, we're looking pretty good. We're in the midst of probably a little zone right here, but I'm going to continue going from left to right and see. Let's go down to the lower time frames. All right, cool. So on this 11-hour time frame, you can see this is our last market structure area. We have our higher highs, higher lows, higher lows. We have failed to really kind of break this higher high up here. So that's why I kind of left this fib on, and this is our last market structure level. So really and truly in the move, we're probably just came back down here to do some form of a retest and a continuation. Let's kind of go down lower to like the 8-hour. 8-hour just got a little bit more zones. Yeah, this is what I was really trying to delete. These arrows. Get them up out of here. So yeah, even these little dotted lines, we can get them up out of here too. So back to the analysis though. So this is the main thing, right? Let me kind of get that tool out for us. So basically where I'm at right now, right? Market structure, right? Market structure's been doing good. It's been looking pretty. She's been doing our thing for us. I ain't gonna lie. Like higher highs and higher lows have been kind of being maintained. Even right here in this defined range area, we still maintained higher lows pretty solid, which is why I'm saying the trend is your friend. And then we kind of pushed up. But even right here, it looks like a break, right? But as of this moment in time, if I was supposed to backtrack it right here, we didn't even formulate market structure as of yet because we was on a 23.6. So right here was never really market structure. So then that's why I kind of skipped over this area, because then when we came up here higher, this is the actual first retest, and then we kind of came over here and hit that golden zone. I had the retest on this left side and this right side. And then from here, really and truly, we never really, From here, really, whoa, what happened to the fib? And then from here, really and truly, we never really kind of broke out of here. So this is what I'm saying for this week now. You know what I'm saying? Because let me kind of clean up this. Boom. Y'all can see, if y'all see some of these green zones on here, there's some fire that I caught, but I'm trying to kind of stay on point. Delete all the fire I caught because I want to kind of alleviate some of this data. All right, cool. So basically like where we are right now is I see like a little retest trick kind of going on right around here, right? Where this engulfing candle where buyers kind of took over is where we kind of retest and found this area of support as of right now. I want to kind of get down low. Let's go to like the 4-hour. Ooh, the 4-hour setting up real spicy for us. So check this out, right? We got this zone right here, and look at that. I caught some fire up here. You know, hold on, cool 66 pips, and then, you know, that was the last move my students called. They got stopped out. But I'm not going to lie, it's looking like a perfect time to buy. Let me kind of explain why. You see this retest trick that I done drew right here? It's acting as an area of support, and we got a 38.2. But hold on. It gets a little bit more better than that too, because let me show y'all the real fire. The real fire in this overall move right here is more than likely this trend line. This trend line, boy, look at that joint. Boy, look at that joint. So that's the trend from here to here. Keep in mind, this was the trend line area, right? Now, hold on. I ain't even done yet. This is the most recent one, right? Now, they say you need a point A and a point B, right? Cool. Let's just say we use this joint right here. Cool. All right, hold on. That ain't it. Hold on, that ain't it. Bum. So, yeah, this may be it right here. From this retest area to like right around here. Yeah, we could potentially even drop a little bit more into this zone. Yeah, I know y'all see I got these like a bunch of little tiny zones and whatnot. We trying to get it done on the lower time frame. Let me go to the 2 hour. Let me see how the 2 hour looking. Hold on. One thing about me is I be having my visibility turned on, so I don't be really trying to see what I see on this time frame or on lower time frames. But this is the fib that's leading the whole game plan right now for this buy. So we got to kind of get with it. You know what I'm saying? This is it. This is the fib that's going to lead us to our success. And it's so crazy because I said this last week. I said, yo, we probably going to come down and try to get this momentum. So when we come down, we could rocket ship up. And we on the 38.2 do the rocket ship right now. So it's just like, really and truly, this is really cooking up to be the solid buy. I'm not going to lie to y'all. But let me go down to the 3 hour. All right, hold on. Let me go back to the 4 hour. That's why I was stuck here. Hold on. Let me double click that. Let's go to the settings real quick. Let's go to visibility. We're going to turn this on. We even going to jack this even on the 1 hour too. And then we're going to hit OK. So that when we go down, we can see it. All right, cool. So let me kind of delete this. And then I really just want to follow up from like right here. So I'm doing market structure now on this time frame. And I'm just like looking at the details, right? Because there's so much details going on. I'm really trying to kind of get the indecision areas so I can kind of see where this retest really is going to kind of like stop at for real. So we had a little something going on right there. Bomb. Yeah, this green zone. Yeah, it's really looking like the green zone for real. That green zone it got some trauma. Because then we just drop down here and then boom. So what I'm saying, right, is we already kind of retest this green zone already, and then we kind of rejected right here and maintained. Let me alleviate this. Let me alleviate that. Let's go down lower. Let's see what else we could pull from this. Let me see. Yeah, just looking at the structure. What happens on the left affects the right. So you see right here how we got this? All right, cool. Check this out. We already started setting up for a variation right here too. Bomb. Right around there. This is whereby it's kind of forming to take over. So it's looking glit for us already. If you don't know what glit is, it's another word for lit. You know what I'm saying? It's looking real Gucci. It's looking fire. You know what I'm saying? It's looking like you want to buy GJ now. You know what I'm saying? But hold on. So we're going to put a little box around this real quick because what we're trying to do is we're trying to track price, but we're trying to really see the details because once it breaks out of this box and this variation, we Gucci. It's just like, I'm trying to see how we can minimize this because if we just break above this QP, boom. See, I knew it was going to be something crazy, but look at the gains. Look at the gains. 200 pips, gang. Come on, gang. Y'all know y'all need this. That's what I'm saying. Y'all know y'all need this. So check this out. This is my only thing, right? So let me see. Where this zone came from? This zone came from right here, supply and demand in this area. You see, I'm trying to really stretch this down across. Bomb. All right, cool. So we looking solid supply and demand. We see structure kind of breaking off. So we see we got a test here. Then it's the retest trick for the overall area of support. All right, cool. And then we got buyers that just engulf. So all we really need to truly do, more than likely, is just break the QP. Let me see where this little John is at. Let me see. All right, that's at the 250. Ooh, we Gucci. Hold on. Let me see. We already respected the major. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're looking solid for these buys, baby. Oh, perfect. Look at this trade setting up. All right, so you see this is the higher time frame. Now what we're going to do is a little bit of time frame correlation to kind of correlate the time frame. So give me a second. Let me kind of set up the correlation because we got to figure out first where do we break structure, because wherever we broke structure at, 9 times out of 10, we're going to go up there for that retest. And then we're going to make the higher high up there and then make the higher low. So check me out. I'm about to put you all in the game right now. Bang. All right. Bang. All right. Let me see. I don't even know where this John came from, but it's here and it look Gucci, so we keeping that. All right, cool. All right. Let me just draw this real quick. All right, cool. We're going to fill that in. We're going to make this John like blue. Because once you go blue, you stay true. You feel me? All right, cool. So we're going to come down here. We're going to come back up here. We're going to come back down here. We're going to come back up here. We're going to come back down here. I'm drawing market structure right now, so I be saying this to myself while I draw it. All right, cool. So it looks like somewhere around here, right? Because this is the first pullback. Then we maintained right here. And then we kind of broke. Then we retested this little zone that we got up here. And then we kind of broke. So it's somewhere up there that we're looking to go with this move. And then it faked everybody out nastily right here because it made you think it was going to go up and then it lost momentum and then boom. So check this out. So we don't really need to correlate. What we're going to do is we're going to hide this white line. We're going to make this white line visible on like the 45 minute because we don't need it right here. Bum. So check this out. Downtrend officially. We broke structure somewhere like around here, hence why I got the zone for the retest area. Cool. So watch this. Check this out. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So low. So then if we break right here, we good money. So this is what we indicating for the buys for real, for real. Now I know this stop loss look brazy as shit, but we could really kind of cut cool the cool stop loss like right around there. I ain't gonna lie. And this move doesn't even have to follow up and stop right here. It could continue going down and come back even right here and hit this area right down here. So we could probably even be buying down here. Let me see what that's looking like. Ooh, that 500 QP in there. Hell yeah. All right, so here's the plan B if the plan A don't work. If this drawing right here don't work and we drop, we just drop right down in here and we bum, 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 bum. Now, I got a little trend line going on from this market structure area, and this is the most recent one because, you know, when you draw a trend line, you need a point A and a point B so you can get your next point C. Well, your point C is looking beautiful right here. But let's just follow up with the lower time frame analysis real quick because this joint like is ready. So market open today, come 6:30, I'm going to be in these buys. I don't know about y'all, but to get these buys, we need to be active like right around here at this 250. We need to break. And once we break, we just got like a minor little supply and demand zones that we got to get past, like this one right here. And so on and so forth. But, you know, we could push up and even push up higher and then come back. But I'm thinking what we're going to do is we're going to slingshot all the way up and then come back down. So that's my analysis for this week is buying GJ. What I see it going long term, let's go back to the weekly. Because once we break this, we're going all the way up here. You know what I'm saying? Let's go to that 10 hour. Once we catch these 200 pips, we catching a body. We going all the way up here. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm hoping that we can end out this week at like negative 27 or even shit, or even fucking negative 61.8. But this 38.2 is active, so bye, bitch. You know what I'm saying? But that's a Sunday breakdown for y'all. It's your boy Juicy Banks, and thank y'all guys so much. I'll see y'all guys on the next one. Doses.